If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. Well, hello pen friends. I wanted to take this opportunity to fill you in on some of the details that are going on around the house. Larry is not gone. He has just not been doing very well. He's experiencing some rather severe side effects from the medicines that he is on. We're trying to get that sorted out, but it has him down. He spends a lot of time in bed and is really having trouble motivating himself to do things. So we're hoping that we will soon be able to get that remedied and he will be back with us more often. Myself, I have been diagnosed with chronic lymphocytic leukemia. It's not serious. It is cancer, but it's not yet serious enough to warrant treatment. So that will be continue to be monitored through blood testing and so on. I tried to get Larry to do a pen review. He didn't feel up to it, so I'm going to do a pen comparison for you. This pen is blue. This pen is burgundy. Moving on. I wondered what would happen if you asked one of these artificial intelligence chatbots to create a fountain pen poem. Well, now we know. Here is Ode to a Fountain Pen. A timeless dance, a poised grace. Fountain pen, a vessel of art crafting dreams from every heart. With elegance it takes its stand, held in the grip of a steady hand. Its body a canvas of polished sheen, a conduit for thoughts yet unseen. Dip it deep into the inkwell's well, each stroke a story its strokes tell. In cursive swirls or measured line, a symphony of words intertwine. A relic of days gone by, it seems, yet in its presence we find our dreams. From parchment old to pages new, it weaves emotions both old and true. With every stroke, a piece of soul, a tale unfurls like a scroll unroll. Fountain pen, you stand the test, crafting beauty at its best. O instrument of timeless grace, in your ink worlds we embrace. Symbol of creativity's flight, you turn imagination to visual light. So let us honor this tool of old, its stories etched, its worth untold. A fountain pen, a muse's friend, a means to ponder, explore, transcend.